guys, today we're going to be learning about symmetry. Does anybody know what symmetry means? Any guesses? Yes. Okay, anybody else? Okay, you guys are close. Symmetry means evenness, equality, conformity. For an object to have symmetry, it means that it can be split into two halves, and both halves are going to mirror the other. Okay, so if symmetry means evenness, equality, conformity, and both sides mirror each other, what do you think a line of symmetry means? Very good. A line of symmetry is a line where a shape can be split in half to make two mirror images. Okay, and the line of symmetry is the line that we place on the shape or letter or image or whatever it is. And I know what you're probably thinking, like, what do you mean, Mrs. Miller? Help me understand, please. Because I don't know the word symmetry, symmetrical, line of symmetry. Well, okay, here's the first example. We're going to take this heart, this beautiful heart, okay? And do you notice how both of these sides of the heart are exactly the same? Okay, so I know that I can place a line of symmetry straight down this middle in order to make two images which mirror each other, okay? So let's fold it in half and you can see what I mean. So this half has a little hook and then the line straight down, okay? So if I flip it over, this side also has the hook and the line straight down. This side is a mirror image of this side. Okay, so this is what it means to be symmetrical. And this is my line of symmetry straight down the middle. Okay, you guys get it, right? Now let's do some examples. Okay, so let's take the letter A, for example, like a capital A. Okay. Do you guys know where I can place my line of symmetry in order to make two images which mirror each other? What do you think? You think straight down the middle like the heart was? Straight vertical? Okay. Let's try. Do both sides match? Good job, perfect. Okay, good job. Let's go on to the diamond. Where do you think I could place a line of symmetry on my diamond to make two sides which mirror each other? Vertical? Okay, good job. Am I done? You think there's another one? What about horizontal? Yes, perfect. This image matches this image. That's perfect. Okay. Do you think I'm done? Do you think I have another one? Looking at this, I think that you could actually do another one right here. It's kind of like a sideways square, right? So I think that you could put one right here diagonally. Don't you think? Yes. Okay. So if I can do it this way, I should also try this way, right? Yep. Good job. Okay, good job, you guys. Okay, so the triangle, let's move on to my triangle. where do you guys think that I could place my line of symmetry? Or at least my first line of symmetry. Straight down the middle. Yep. That seems to be working out for us so far, huh? Straight down the middle, each one. Okay. Am I done? Could I do this one horizontal as well? Like this one? No. Why? Because this does not match this. This has 1 point up here. This has 2 points over here. This is definitely not the same. Okay? Any other guesses? Should I try diagonally? Yes, you are right, diagonally. So if I place it right here diagonally, from this point to the middle right here, are both sides the same? Are both sides a mirror image of the other? Right, good job. Let's place a line right there. Sorry my lines aren't so straight, but. Okay, so if I have a line here from this point to this center, I have a line diagonally from this point to this center. I should probably try this way too, huh? From this point to the center of this here, right here. Are both sides a mirror image? Yeah, I think so. So I'm gonna place another line of symmetry right there. Okay, so to recap so far, my A has one line of symmetry, right? And my A is symmetrical, okay? My diamond has 1, 2, 3, 4 lines of symmetry. And it is also symmetrical, right? Right. Okay, and my triangle has 1, 2, 3 lines of symmetry. Awesome. Let's move on to the square. Where should I place my first line of symmetry? Right. So you guys are getting just to be pros at this. Like you're telling me what to do now. I love it. Okay, where's my second line? Horizontal, good job. Do you guys think that I could try this diagonal? Let's look at it with the square, okay? So I've tried it horizontal, and that was an image of that, mirror image of that, okay? And then I have tried vertical, and this is a mirror image of this. This, mirror image of this. Do you guys think I should try diagonal? Yes, I think so, because I have a triangle here and a triangle here, and it is a mirror image. Perfect, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other diagonal way as well. It's a mirror image, right? Yes. So I can do it both diagonal ways. So my square has how many lines of symmetry? 1, 2, 3, 4. And my square is called what? Symmetrical. It has symmetry. It is symmetrical. Okay. Let's move on to the circle. Straight down the middle. Horizontal. Diagonal. Diagonal again. Do you guys think I can place any more? I think so. What if I place one here? Does this side match this side? It does. You guys, this circle, I can place as many lines as long as they're down the center. I can place an infinite amount of lines on here, guys, and they are all going to be symmetrical. Okay? The circle just has infinite amounts. Because the circle is just that, it's round. It has no special characters, it has no lines, it has nothing making any side different. It's just a circle, it goes on and on and on and on. Okay, that's why a circle has infinite lines of symmetry. Okay? You guys are awesome. What about this P? Let's move on to the P. Where can I place a line of symmetry and make two mirror images? I know it's tough, right? You don't think there are any? I think you're definitely correct. This P, there's nowhere that I can place a line to make two mirror images. Okay, if I say, for example, if I did cut it this way, there's no bump here, down here. So there's a bump, there's no bump down here. I mean, if it was a B, yeah, but this is a P, not a B. Okay? Say I tried down the middle this way. Not even close. And diagonal? No way, right? Okay. So this P does not have symmetry. So do you guys know what another word for not symmetrical is? Asymmetrical. And I will put it right underneath so you guys can see the spelling. Asymmetrical. Okay? So it has 0 lines of symmetry. Okay? Okay, now let's look at the quadrilateral. Where can I place a line of symmetry in order to make two mirror images? Can I place it right here vertically in the center? What about horizontally in the center? No, that's not gonna work either. Diagonal? No way. The other way diagonal? No. So you guys, if this has 0 lines of symmetry, what do we call it? We call it asymmetrical. You just learned that word. Good job. Asymmetrical. Zero lines of symmetry. Okay? So to recap, if a image can be split in half in 1 way, 2 ways, 4 ways, infinite ways, if it can be split in half in any way and have a mirror image, it is called symmetrical. Okay? And your line of symmetry is the line that you draw in your images to make mirror images, if that makes sense, okay? Now, asymmetrical means there are 0 lines of symmetry. That means the object, the shape, the letter is not symmetrical, okay? So you guys are awesome. Now you're gonna work on your own assignment with your buddies.